Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Delta Skymiles Reserve and Amex Platinum. Delta Skymiles Reserve and Amex Platinum are both premium travel cards. The Delta Skymiles Reserve card is a top-tier travel card perfect for frequent Delta flyers. It offers priority boarding, launch access, and a yearly companion flight certificate. You'll earn 3 times miles on Delta purchases and 1 time on everything else. The card also helps you climb Delta's medallion status faster thanks to MQM Boost. It offers built-in travel protections like trip delay insurance and no foreign transaction fees. To apply, visit Delta or Amex website, click Apply Now, fill in your details and submit. Approval is usually quick, and once accepted, your new Reserve card will arrive in the mail. The Amex Platinum card is a top-tier travel card that gives you luxury perks and rewards. You earn 5-time membership rewards points on flight booked directly or via Amex Travel and 5 times on prepaid hotels. Enjoy access to premium lounges worldwide, including Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, and Priority Pass. The card also offers up to $200 a year in airline free credits and up to $200 in Uber credits, plus credits for digital entertainment and more. It includes hotel and rental car elite status, plus travel protections like baggage and trip delay insurance. Although the annual fee is $695, the credit value and perks can offset much of that. To apply, head to American Express website, click Apply Now, fill in your info, and submit. It's quick and easy. Overall, Amex Platinum is best for luxury travel, while Delta Reserve is best for frequent Delta flyers. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.